Hello and welcome back to Momabi etc. Today I am going to announce about one thing, which is Garbha Sanskar episode series. I have decided to make one series of episodes for the Garbha Sanskar in which we are going to discuss about each and every detail about the Garbha Sanskar, starting from the practices which were implemented centuries ago according to Sanatan Dharma till today as per the science, how these both things are related and why it is so important for the parents and parents to be. So stay tuned and let me know in the comment section if you have any queries regarding this, so we can cover your question in the upcoming episodes. So let's start without further ado and let us know how the sanskar works in our system. Sanatan Dharma comprises of Shodash Sanskars. Shodash means 16 Sanskar, starting from the birth till the end. Garbha Sanskar till Antim Sanskar. Starting from Garbha Sanskar or Garbhadana Sanskar till Antim Sanskar, Sanatan Dharma established 16 sanskars into our system, which is very scientific and makes sense now also. So today we are going to talk about Garbhadana Sanskar. When a parent or a couple trying to conceive a baby, they should plan it a way ahead, like 3 to 4 months before. A 3-4 month planning means preparing your body, your soul, your environment for the baby. When you are trying to conceive a baby, it is a spiritual practice. I'm saying spiritual because you have to be mentally very positive to bring a new soul to this life. And when you're bringing a new soul into this whole new world, you have to be very responsible and very aware about what you're doing. So having a baby is a conscious thing. Do not do this unconsciously. When you're trying to have a baby consciously, you make sure that you are going to have a intellectual and a healthy baby, which is very important. So Garbhadana Sanskar talks about this only. Before talking about Garbhadana Sanskar, I will tell you in brief what Shodash Sanskars are. So the 16 sanskars in Sanatan Dharms are like this. First one is Garbhadan, in which the couple has to plan for the baby. Second one is Punsuan, we have to pray for a good human being to arrive. Third one is for baby shower. Fourth one is for after birth ritual. Next is Namkaran, then Nishkraman, then Annaprashan, then Mundan, then Vidya Arambh, then Karnavedan. We will going to discuss them all in the upcoming videos. Next ones are Upnayan Sanskar, Vedarambh, Keshan, Samavartan, Vivah and then Antim Sanskar. Now talking about Garbhadan Sanskar. When a couple trying to have a baby, they have to be mentally, physically, spiritually prepared for it. And when I say prepared for it, means they have to be consciously prepared for this. They have to be happily prepared for it. And when two human beings are happily into something, then they are into some coordination, then they are asking a common thing from the universe. And when we are asking a common thing together, then of course universe is going it to us. So Garbhadan Sanskar, it starts before even you have the conception. When you're trying to conceive a baby, prepare yourself. Make sure that you are stress free. Make sure that you are healthy. Make sure that you're ready to bring a new life into this world. Make sure that you are not into some pressure. Make sure that you are so happy, so prepared physically, mentally, financially to have this baby into your life. You should give your full concentration and time now, and you are going to give your full time and concentration after having him or her into your life. This is the planning. that we say now in science terms also, but in Sanatan Dharma we knew it since centuries ago. This was the planning time. Garbhadan Sanskar was the planning time for the couple. And now when you together is asking for something from the universe, then it will come to you. And make sure that you are asking for the good, because good will going to attract the good, evil will going to attract the evil. So you have to make sure that your unconscious mind is not asking for something else, because you have to be consciously making a decision, of course together. Now when I say the conscious decision, it should include the meditation. When we are trying to conceive a baby, the conception process should include this meditation process, which I am going to tell you right now. Our body is made up of 5 elements that we know. These 5 elements is going to make a baby altogether into your body immediately during the conception time. So before even having the conception, you have to make your mind free from all the thoughts. Now be into the meditation pose or into the meditation thinking when you are trying to conceive. And now think about the fire. Fire is going to your navel, giving you warmth and rising to your body. This uprise of the temperature or the heat is going to kill all the negative thoughts, all the negative energies, diseases, problems and everything from your body. Now the second tattva or the second element coming to your thought, which is wind, Vayu. After having all those negative things as ashes into yourself, the wind is coming and it is blowing off all those ashes from your body. After this, you need to think about the raindrops. The raindrops are coming to your body and pouring your whole body with the positive secretions. Now all the secretion which is coming from your body or your partner's body should be very pure and with positive energy. Now secretion means your semen, your blood, your cells and everything liquid. It is giving you the cooling effect. The shower that you're feeling right now in your body is going to give you the cooling effect. After raindrops, you should feel the center of your body where you feel most of your weight, maybe your heart, your navel position, you need to feel it. Your center of your body is going towards the earth. It is being pulled by the magnetism of the earth and having all the good elements, taking all the good elements from the earth. After feeling this, you must feel the Akash, sky, which is 5th element. Now your all the 4 elements along with your body and your thoughts is uprising towards the sky and asking for a good soul, for a good immunity, for a good cavity of a body, for a happy secretion. These rising tattvas is going to make a good shape, a good human being. And now when you're ready to conceive, you should feel all the positive energies inside your body and there should be a smile inside your soul. Now these all 5 tattvas are going to the sky and bringing or taking a new soul inside your body. How these 5 elements are very important because they are making a human body. Fire is for eyes and brightness and the complexion for the baby. Wind is going to take care of the respiratory system, the movement and body activity of the baby. Sky is going to take care of the sound, intelligence, sleep, auditory system of the baby. Water is going to take care of the taste, muscle mass, semen, saliva, blood and immunity of the body. Earth or Prithvi is going to take care of the smell, hair, bone and courage of the human body or the fetus, which is now coming inside you. You have to imagine that it is sprouting into a beautiful shape, into a beautiful mind, into a healthy well-being. This is Garbhadan Sanskar. So make sure before you conceive, you are completely in sync with this thought that you are bringing a new soul to this world, which is coming with a purpose, and the purpose should be good. So with this, I'm ending today's video, and in next video of this series, we are going to discuss about many other things like training the fetus, intellectual stimulation of the fetus, and the bond which is going to develop between mother and the baby. We are also going to discuss about the food that is going to impact the pregnancy and the baby. So stay tuned for the next episode of this series and let me know how you like the video. Give your comments into the comment section here and let me know if you have other questions about Garbha Sanskar so I can solve them in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with the people who needs this. And bye bye, take care, stay tuned, subscribe to Mama Baby etc. Bye bye.